Hi everyone, I thought to share with you how to create discussion forums on Canvas. They are required in some of the pre and post lesson e-learning tasks. So here I am on Canvas. I'm on the dashboard. So I go to my own course, which is this one. I click on it and I get to this page. So on the left hand side, you have discussions. Click on that. Here is a sign plus for a new discussion. Click on that. And here you can enter your title. So I don't know, pre-lesson task. This is one of my previous forum topics. And here you can add instructions, whatever you want to add. Scroll down a little bit. I click here, options allow threaded replies so that they can answer each other. And I also click this one, users must post before seeing replies. And I didn't add graded or those other things. I allow liking so that they can like each other's answers. And here, if you want, you can add it to student to do. Here you click on this, you get the date and set the time and click on done. Now, this is a group discussion, so you select this one. And here from the drop-down menu, you choose your own group. This is mine, so I click on that. And then you can define when the discussion is available from a certain date. You choose the date and time, click done, and then until what time, the same thing here. And then in the end, you click on save and publish. And that's it.